Hello everyone. Do you think that Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will be placed in a Zugzwang in the year 2024 after the general elections of a country which are expected to be held between April and May 2024? Before you allow your faculty of mind to go in search of this question, let me share with you what is the meaning of this word, what is the origin of this word, how we can use this word in a meaningful sentence. And this word is from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, Tharoorosaurus. This is the last word from his book. That is the 53rd word from the book. So let's have a look at the word. This is Zugzwang, Zugzwang. Dr. Shashi Tharoor playing chess with a person. The person seems a bit perplexed as the sign of interrogation over his head gives us the clue of his confused, perplexed situation of state of mind. On the other hand, Dr. Shashi Tharoor seems delighted to put his opponent in a perplexing situation. Next is the meaning of the word Zugzwang. In chess and other games, compulsion to move that places the mover at a disadvantage. So Zugzwang is associated with game of chess or other games, and this is to suggest a compulsion to move where the mover is at a disadvantaged position. Uses of the word: the grandmaster, outwitted by his opponent, found himself in a Zugzwang and chose to resign. Origin: Zugzwang, a word of German origin, comes from two German roots. Zug means move and Zwang, compulsion. So that Zugzwang means being forced to move. This is the origin, and it's very interesting that two words, move and compulsion, make it a compulsive move, not a voluntarily move or a strategic move. It's a compulsive move that is in association with the game of chess. Next is the context given by Dr. Shashi Tharoor himself in the book Tharoorosaurus. The tables were turned in Madhya Pradesh a few months later when the BJP placed Congress Chief Minister Kamal Nath in Zugzwang. First, by packing off 22 MLAs to a resort in Bengaluru, they deprived him of the opportunity to persuade, to convince them to change their minds. Then, by prolonging to Parliament session in Delhi, despite the coronavirus outbreak, they prevented him from using the COVID-19 crisis to suspend or to delay, to defer the legislative session and so buy time. So this is how he was entrapped into a compulsive move to resign. He was prevented to buy time. The MLAs were packed off in a resort in Bengaluru. So this is how things were being done to put Kamal Nath in a Zugzwang. Finally, the chief minister, acknowledging, accepting the reality of his diminished numbers and the unavailability of a confidence vote he was doomed to lose resigned. So this is the political context that Dr. Shashi Tharoor has given to explain to us, to explain to his readers the meaning of the word Zugzwang. And in order to memorize the word in a more comprehensive manner, we can think of another pertinent question, whether Rahul Gandhi will be placed in a Zugzwang by NDA in the year 2024 after the general elections. So what's your opinion on this? Do comment on the comment box and subscribe the channel if you are new on this channel. The entire playlist comprising all the 53 words from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book Tharoorosaurus is available on this platform of tech. The link for that playlist is given in the description box. So do visit the playlist and make the most of the efforts being put on this platform by Team Tech. The another playlist that also comprises all the attractive words, word combinations from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's another book, that is An Era of Darkness, that also comprises 15 or 16 videos, prolonged videos, 15 to 30 minutes. The link for the same playlist is also given in the description of this video. So do visit that playlist as well. So with these words, if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications for your empowerment, because this is the channel of empowerment. This is the channel of transformation, because communication is a way to transform and empower people. We are engaged in this mission. Do participate and be the strength and strengthen yourself at the same time. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.